Okay, making this video for Sequoia and Tundra owners about a clanking noise coming from the front of the vehicle. It only happens when you come to a stop, complete stop, and when you release the brakes. You can hear this clanking noise coming from the front end. So first thing comes to my mind is the front brakes. Maybe there's a warped rotor or the pads shifting. So I changed the front brakes, rotors, hardware kits. Still has the noise. This noise been happening for months. Couldn't figure it out. Doesn't happen when you go over bumps, certain speeds. Only when complete stop and releasing the brake and rolling out, you can hear the noise again. So the brakes wasn't the problem. Then the next thing I thought, well, maybe change the sway bar end links. That wasn't the problem either. So I was thinking maybe ball joints, tie rods. But then again, I was thinking those noises would happen all the time if it was ball joints or tie rod ends. So I finally posted a post on a forum for Tundras and Sequoias, and one guy said try and check your transmission mounts. So I got underneath, inspected the transmission, and I actually started shaking the transmission, and sure enough the transmission was shaking. It's this rear mount by the cone of the transmission. This mount connects to a cross member. Four of the bolts that were holding the mount, two were missing, and the other two were ready to come out. So I replaced the bolts, put some thread locker on there, and solved the problem. The reason why I'm making this video is because I did check YouTube prior to this and saw nothing. So I hope this video helps others. If it does, press like. Thank you.